Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to spell the first letter of a sentence in Microsoft Word. So let's start it. At first open a document. Firstly, then show the page is all sentence is first letter is capital. Now I convert is first letter is small. Firstly, then select your all sentence and go into the home menu option and click for the change case option. Now click for the to all is that's okay. Then you show the first letter is small is all sentence. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.